Let's take a look at the solutions to exercise 5.1. So for question A, we've got 3 open bracket f plus 4. So our method here is that times that and that times that, and now we can expand this out. So 3 multiplied by f will be 3f, 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. So there is our answer to part A. And all of these really are of the same pattern. So let's go through these. B, 2a plus 4. If we follow the same steps as in B, that's going to be 2a plus 2 times 4 is 8. For question C, 4e plus 5. Again, if we follow those exact same steps again as the previous two questions, it's going to be 4e plus 4 times 5 will be 20. For part D, 7, open bracket, t minus 9. Again, follow those same steps. 7 times t, 7t. 7 times minus 9 this time is going to be minus 63. So there are the first 4. Hopefully you're all okay with those. Let's keep going. Let me clear some space. And here is E. We've got 3b minus 5. Expand those brackets out again in the same way. So we're going to have 3b minus 15. Just be careful with the negatives. F, 8h minus 2. Follow the same steps. We'll have 8h minus 2/8 will be 16. G. Well, there is no G on our list, so we're going to have to go to H. So for part H, 3, 2f plus 4. So these ones, same again, just because there's an extra term in there, it's still the same idea. So 3 times 2 is 6f, and 3 4s are 12. For I, 5, 3g plus 7. Same idea again. 3 5s will be 15g, and 5 times 7 will be plus 35. Hopefully you're getting the idea of these. They're pretty straightforward. So let's keep going here. So for the next one, we're up to J. We've got 5, 6k plus 1. Same steps again. 6 5s are 30k plus 5 times 1 is 5. For k, 9, 4r minus 4. Okay, follow our steps. 4 9s are 36r. Again, 4 9s are 36, but it's got to be a minus here. So 4 times 9 is minus 36 in this case. Next one, L. 10, 8y minus 12. Same steps. 10 times 8 is 80y. And the last one, 10 times 12 is 120, but it's a minus 120 because of our minus sign. For M, 9, 3p minus 7. 3 9s are 27p, and 7 times 9 is 63, but it's going to be a minus 63. So there's the ones down to M. Let's take a look at our last column. So for question N, we've got 5, 2x plus 4 plus 3x. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. However, the beginning of this is exactly the same in that we still expand our brackets in the same way. That is, multiply everything inside by everything outside. So if we just do that on our first step, 2 times 5 is going to give us that 10x, and 5 times 4 gives us the plus 20, but now we've also still got the plus 3x tacked on the end. If we now group our like terms, which is the x term, it's going to be 10x plus 3x is 13x plus 20. So that's how our solution will simplify down there. Okay, so all the others now are very similar. So next one, 3y plus 2 plus y. we follow the same idea. This is going to be 3 times y is 3y, 3 times 2 is plus 6, and plus the y on the end. Now group the y's. 3y plus y is 4y plus 6. Next one here is P. 8, 2t plus 4 minus 6t. So be careful of the negative here. So 2 8s are going to be 16t. 4 times 8 will be plus 32. And then our minus 6t on the end. 16t minus 6t will be 10t plus 32. And there's our answer to P. Next one, Q. We've got 2, 8g plus 2 minus 13g. So expand out. 2 8s will be 16g plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus our 13g. And now again group like terms. 16g minus 13g will be 3g plus 4. So there we are down to Q. Okay, let's quickly do the last two. So for question R, 5, 3w minus 1 plus w. Expand it out. 3 5s are 15w. 5 times 1 is 5, but it's a minus 5 plus our w. And now we can group our like terms. 15w plus w is 16w minus our 5. So there's our answer for R. And then our final one for S, 3, 4m plus 2, and then plus m on the end. Expand our brackets. 3 4s are going to be 12m. 3 times 2 is plus 6, plus our m. Group our like terms. 12m plus m is 13m, and then plus our 6 on the end. So there's our solutions for exercise 5.1 A through S. They're all very similar, but again, hopefully you got all the correct answers to these, or if you couldn't get a particular answer, this certainly helps you out with the solutions. Okay then, so let's get back to the main video and we'll keep going.